Hello, viewer. Welcome back to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today, on the 30th of July 2024, we have some important news regarding the turmeric futures contracts on the National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited, or NCDEX. The NCDEX has recently issued a circular to all its members, announcing modifications to the contract launch calendar for turmeric futures contracts. This change comes in response to a directive from SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, specifically circular dated August 4, 2023. So, what's new? The major update is the introduction of the May 2025 expiry to the turmeric futures contract launch calendar. This new expiry will be added in October 2024, alongside the already planned April 2025 expiry. As of now, turmeric futures contracts with expiries in August 2024, October 2024, and December 2024 are available for trading. For those of you trading in these futures contracts, it's crucial to stay updated with the detailed modified contract launch calendar, which is provided in Annexure I of the NCDEX circular. Make sure to check it out. Members and market participants should familiarize themselves with the product details, trading procedures, and related processes, which are outlined in the product note available on the NCDEX website under the Products tab. Remember, all contracts and transactions will adhere to the bylaws, rules, and regulations of the exchange, as well as any directives issued by SEBI from time to time. Additionally, the circular emphasizes the responsibility of members and market participants to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations regarding the quality standards of commodities deposited, traded, or delivered through approved warehouses. This includes adherence to guidelines set by authorities like the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, AGMARK, and the Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority, WDRA, among others. To sum up, these changes are essential for the smooth functioning of the turmeric futures market and to ensure that all trading activities remain in compliance with regulatory standards. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Ajayasthro Guru for more insightful updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.